Hello student, now again there is a concentration cell with respect to hydrogen electrode. This is very important. Now in this case temperature is 298 Kelvin. Now there is two sides is a platinum electrode. There is a negative, there is a positive. Now hydrogen gas converted to H plus and H plus converted to H2. Now in this case the concentration is different, C1 and C2. And pressure may be same or different also because this is a non-standard. This is based on the Nernst equation. Nernst equation means temperature or pressure. Suppose the equal temperature and temperature is 298 and pressure P1 and P2 is 1 atm. But the definitely concentration is different. Okay. Now you know in this case the concentration is different. You know H2 gas converted into what? 2H plus, yes, or half H2, half H plus, yeah, plus electron, clear? And the same for half H plus, yeah, suppose you can write H2 gives 2H plus 2 electron. This is the first, this is the oxidation, and this 2H plus accept 2 electron to gives H2. Yeah, in this case electron cancel and the hydrogen pressure is same or different. Yeah, suppose pressure is 1 atm and pressure is 2 atm, then you do not cancel of hydrogen. Okay, now in this case concentration is different, so H2 plus 2H plus gives 2H plus, sorry, 2H plus H2. This is a what? Concentration 1, this is concentration 2, and this is what? This is pressure 2 and this is pressure 1. Clear? Okay, now how can write the E naught cell formula? So here the first you write the formula of E cell. E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log of base 10 Q. You know the formula, and now you convert E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by N. Now is very important. Now in this case log of base 10. Now what is the product side? Concentration and pressure 2 term na. So there is a C1, yes, and here is a C2, the divided by C2. Now in this case hydrogen is there. Hydrogen is there. Suppose you convert the single H na, so you also convert what? Half H2, and this is what? Half H2. So now here is a 1 electron difference. Yeah. So in this case P2, the same for that side, half. So there is a P2 and there is divided by P1, and both the power is what? Half. Yeah, because the half hydrogen is there. Yeah, clear? Okay, very good. Now E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591. Now the electron is what? 1. Now log of C1 concentration divided by C2 concentration, and half, you know, in this case just you convert, this is multiply na, so multiply you convert to plus half log of base 10 P2 divided by P1. Yes, clear? Okay, now again you convert E cell is equals to E naught cell. Acha, listen, both the electrode is same, so you know hydrogen E naught cell value is always 0. Yeah, so just you convert to 0.0591, and now this is what you convert this for, just multiply by minus sign. So concentration, you know the concentration term, log of base 10 C1, C1, this is what anode part, and minus log of C2, this is a cathode part. Just you multiply. Okay, now again multiply by minus half log of base 10, this is P2 for cathode and this is P1 for anode. Clear? Okay, now what is the next term? You know E cell is equals to E naught cell is 0 minus 0.0591, and you know minus log of base 10 concentration is what? Concentration of, just you write down the C1 concentration is what? H plus for anode, and C2 concentration is also what? H plus for cathode, and this is minus half of log of base 10 P2 cathode upon P1 anode. Yes, P1 anode. So E cell is equals to 0.0591, and this is what? pH value. Clear? pH value, pH of anode, and this is what? pH of cathode. Clear? And this is, suppose you plus charge is there, sorry, there's a plus, it means this convert to that side and this convert to this side. So log of base 10 is what? P1 anode upon P2 cathode. Simple. Clear? Clear, student? Okay, now we have the final formula. E cell is equals to 0.0591. This is pH of anode minus pH of cathode, and plus half log of base 10 P1 anode upon P2 cathode. So just you learned this formula. Now we have the numerical. There is a 3 numerical. The first one, a cell contains 2 hydrogen electrode. A cell contains 2 hydrogen electrode. The negative electrode in contact with a solution of 10 to the power minus 6 m H ion. The EMF of the cell, yani E cell, is given, and at 225 degrees centigrade calculate the H plus ion at positive terminal. Positive means cathode. Assume that both side of hydrogen gas is 1 atm. Okay, it's very easy. This is based on this topic. So first you consider कि H plus anode is what? H plus anode. देखो, in this case the negative is what? Anode. H plus is what given? 10 to the power minus 6 capital M. Yes, 10 to the power minus 6 capital M. Clear? Now first you convert the pH. You know the pH of anode is equals to minus log of base 10 H plus concentration. So pH is what? Simple pH of anode is what? Minus log of base 10 to the power 6. So So 10 to the power 6 comes to this side. So answer is what? 6. Clear na? Now pH of anode is what? 6. And you know, assume that both side of hydrogen gas is 1 atm. It means pressure of hydrogen gas of anode is equals to pressure of hydrogen gas of cathode is what? 1 atm. So now the formula is what? E cell, and you know E naught cell of hydrogen gas is 0. So just you write down the final formula 0.0591, and this is what? pH of anode. This is pH, power of hydrogen या potential of hydrogen, of cathode, plus half log of base 10 pressure of anode upon pressure of cathode. Clear? Okay. Now E naught cell value is 0.118 is equals to 0.0591, and this is what? 6. And you find the pressure power of hydrogen of cathode, yes, and plus half log of base 10, and there's a both side of pressure is 1 है ना? Okay. Okay, now 0.118 is equals to 0.0591, and this is 6, and the power of hydrogen या potential of hydrogen of cathode, and you know log 1 value is what? 0. So 0 multiply half, so this is what? 0. Yeah, so just you convert 0.118 and this part 0.0591, and this is 6 minus P power of potential of hydrogen of cathode. This is pH. So this is what? 2. So 6 minus pH of cathode is equals to 2. So the final answer minus pH is equals to 2 minus 6. Yes. So what? pH of cathode is 4. Yeah. So you can also write the concentration term na. So just you convert minus log of base 10 H plus concentration is equals to 4, and log of base 10 H plus concentration is equals to minus 4. Yeah, so this is a trick. The anti-log, you multiply anti-log on both sides, and the log of base 10 H plus is equals to anti-log of minus 4. Anti-log of minus 4. This is a trick. And in this case, anti-log and log is cancel out. So H plus concentration is equals to anti-log minus 4. Again you H plus concentration anti-log, and you multiply by log of base 10 to the power minus 4. This is a trick na. Yeah, so anti-log and log is cancel out. So H plus concentration is what? 10 to the power minus 4. Yeah. Now the next question is what? The E naught cell of galvanic cell reaction is N is equal to, yani N is given, is found to be 0.295, yani E naught cell is given. The equilibrium constant. So you know the formula of equilibrium. E naught cell is equals to 0.0591 upon N and log of base 10 KEQ या KC. So E naught cell value is given 0.295 and 0.0591. N is what? N is 2 and log of base 10 KEQ. Clear? तो just you, yeah, this is what 0.0295. तो 0.295 divided by 0.0295 log of base 10 KEQ. So this is a tensor. Yeah, sorry, this is tensor. Clear na? And now KEQ is equals to what? KEQ is equals to what? Antilog 10. So just you, this is a trick. KEQ is equals to antilog and U. 10 is there, so just you convert 10 is for log of base 10 to the power 10. The antilog log is cancelled, so KEQ is what? 10 to the power 10, and 10 to the power 10 is option number D.